Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by Camille in America. Camille suggested that we draw an elephant. This drawing's for you, Camille, and thanks for the suggestion. Here we go. First, let's draw those big elephant eyes. Good job. And the insides. Way to go. Let's draw those eyebrows. Good job. Next, just draw a little line right here. That's just a nose crinkle. Good job. Now we're going to make this a happy elephant, so let's start drawing a happy face like this. Good job. Now bring that all the way down to start making the trunk like this. Way to go. Now we're going to bring that trunk all the way around over here in a nice little curve like this. And do the other side. Good job. Now just draw the end of the elephant's trunk. Woohoo! Easy peasy. Now let's finish the bottom of the elephant's face. It's just going to be two curved lines like this. One. And the same thing on the other side. Two. Good job. It's looking good. Next, let's draw the elephant's hair. We're just going to draw some sharp little lines on top to draw a cute little tuft of hair. I like it. And let's shade it in. I like it. I think we need a little more over here. Boop, boop. Okay. Now we can draw the rest of the elephant's head. Boop, boop. Looking good. Next, we're going to start drawing the elephant's big body. So we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a big half of a circle like this. And let's do the same thing over here. All right, this is looking great. Now let's draw the big floppy elephant ears. We're going to start up here and draw a big swoopy line all the way down, kind of like a big butterfly wing. Here we go. Let's draw another line inside, like this. Whoa, I like it. Do the same thing on the other side. Ooh, now we got some good looking elephant ears. Now, let's draw those big elephant feet. First, draw a little curved line over here. And a straight line here. And a curved line over here. I like it. Now we're going to draw 3 big circles for those big elephant toenails, like this. 1, 2, and 3. And then on these side pieces, we just curve it out and bring it in. Curve it out and bring it in. 1, 2, 3. And whoop, and curve it out and bring it in. Woo! Looking good. Now we can add some lines here to kind of show those elephant wrinkles because they have that really great wrinkly skin. And now let's draw the back legs. Draw a curve, draw a circle, bring it in. Over here, draw a curve, Draw a circle. Bring it in. Woo! We're almost done. Before we go any further, I want to kind of turn this trunk and make it a little bit more wrinkly and elephanty. So I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to draw some lines here. And what I'm trying to do is just really show those great little wrinkles that elephants have in their skin, especially in their trunk when they bend it and do all those cool things that they can do with their cool elephant trunk. So I'm just drawing little lines and little bumps. Little lines and little bumps. Looking good. Little lines and little bumps. All right. I like it. We're going to draw one line here. One line here. And we're almost done. We just have to draw that cool elephant tail. So, draw a line. Draw a line. And put some hair on the end. And now it's time to shave. Ta-da! We did it. We drew an awesome elephant. Good job. And thanks for the suggestion, Camille. Don't forget, if you like this drawing, tell all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. This has been Hand Drawn.